Crocs and Krispy Kreme cook up a whimsical twist on the classic clog, dropping August 5th via Crocs.com. This flavorful collab draws from Krispy Kreme's iconic original Glazed Doughnut, using bio-circular Croslite material with a glossy golden brown finish. The left and right shoes playfully mismatch with chocolate and strawberry sprinkle toppings. Jibbitz charms shaped like a bitten donut and the hot now side add playful detail, while branded ankle straps and footbeds serve more sweet nods. As part of the release, a specialty dozen box will be sold at select Krispy Kreme shops across the US and Canada. On August 9th, Crocs-wearing customers can score a free original glazed donut in-store. This collab blends quirky style, sugary aesthetics, and Crocs comfort into a bold, snack-inspired statement that's both collectible and crave-worthy.